Hello everyone. Are you curious about how to determine if a bike is durable? Let's find out. Assessing the durability of a bike involves considering various factors related to its construction, materials, components, and intended use. Here's what to look for when evaluating the durability of a bike. Firstly, examine the frame material and construction. Look for bikes made from high-quality materials such as aluminum, steel, titanium, or carbon fiber, depending on your preferences and budget. Check the welds, joints, and overall build quality of the frame for signs of craftsmanship and attention to detail. Choose a frame that's designed to withstand the rigors of regular use and provide long-lasting durability. Secondly, evaluate the components and parts fitted to the bike. Check the quality and reputation of the drivetrain, brakes, wheels, tires, and other components from reputable brands known for their durability and reliability. Look for features such as sealed bearings, stainless steel hardware, and corrosion-resistant finishes that enhance the longevity and performance of the bike, especially if you'll be riding in challenging conditions or environments. Thirdly, consider the intended use and terrain for which the bike is designed. Choose a bike that's appropriate for your riding style, preferences, and environment, whether you'll be riding on roads, trails, gravel paths, or rough terrain. Look for bikes with features such as reinforced frames, suspension systems, and robust components designed to withstand the demands of off-road riding, touring, commuting, or recreational cycling. Furthermore, assess the manufacturer's reputation and warranty coverage. Research the brand's reputation for quality, customer service, and product support to ensure you're investing in a bike from a reputable and reliable company. Check the warranty coverage provided by the manufacturer for the frame, components, and parts to understand your rights and protections in case of defects or issues with the bike's durability. Additionally, consider user reviews and feedback from other cyclists who own the same or similar bikes. Look for reviews, testimonials, and forum discussions online to learn about real-world experiences and durability concerns from fellow riders. Pay attention to common issues or complaints mentioned by multiple users and factor them into your decision-making process when evaluating the durability of a bike. In summary, assessing the durability of a bike involves considering factors such as frame material and construction, component quality, intended use and terrain, manufacturer reputation, warranty coverage, and user feedback. By evaluating these factors comprehensively, you can make an informed decision and choose a bike that's built to last and provide reliable performance for years to come. So, take your time, do your research, and invest in a durable bike that meets your needs and exceeds your expectations. Thank you for watching. Please follow for more related videos and see you later. Goodbye.